Can we talk about something that is treated like a family secret in most Indian households? I'm talking about bra sizes. सैलरी पूछ लेंगे, शादी कब करनी है ये पूछ लेंगे, रिश्तेदार आपका फ्यूचर प्रिडिक्ट कर लेंगे, पर ब्रा साइज वो तो थोड़ी क्लासिफाइड इंफॉर्मेशन है. एंड द फनी पार्ट इज मोस्ट ऑफ अस डोंट इवन नो आवर एक्चुअल ब्रा साइज. और फिर हम वंडर करते हैं कि कप्स क्यों गेप कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रैप्स क्यों गिर रही है, घर आके ब्रा उतारने का मन क्यों कर रहा है. सो let's fix that today. And before anyone asks me to demonstrate this on myself, meet today's guest. This is Rita. Rita, this is everyone. और Rita का size 34B है. Please remember that because quiz होगा बाद में. Just kidding, or maybe not. So first things first, why does bra size even matter? Because if your straps keep falling, shoulders पे mark आ रहे हैं, cup size fit नहीं हो रहा है ढंग से, there's a very good chance you're actually wearing the wrong size. And no, bras aren't supposed to be uncomfortable. हमने ऐसे ही unnecessary struggle को accept कर लिया है. Step 1. Measure your underbust. Take a measuring tape and wrap it directly under your bust. Keep it snug but comfortable. Comfortable is the keyword girly pops. क्योंकि हम सूटकेस तो पैक कर नहीं रहे हैं. इस मेजरमेंट से बेसिकली आपका बैंड साइज पता लगता है. एंड फन फैक्ट, मोस्ट ऑफ द सपोर्ट एक्चुअली कम्स फ्रॉम द बैंड, नॉट द स्ट्रैप्स. स्ट्रैप्स ने बेसिकली अपनी बहुत अच्छी PR कर रखी है. Please write this number down. Step 2 is measuring the fullest part of your bust. Now wrap the tape around the fullest part of your bust. Please make sure that the tape is level all around. And naturally खड़े होना, no sucking in. Passport photograph थोड़ी है. Now write this number down too. So now you've got your two magic numbers. So step 3 is finding your cup size. So basically the difference between the two measurements helps to decide your actual cup size. Generally, a 1 inch difference is an A cup, 2 inches is a B cup, 3 inches is a C cup, and 4 inches is a D cup, and so on. So let's come back to Rita. Rita's band size is 34 and her cup size is B. So here's where a lot of people get confused. A 34B and a 34D are two completely different bras. They have the same band size but different cup volume. Same address but different roommates. Also, can we please stop treating D cups like urban legends? D doesn't automatically mean huge. Cup size only makes sense when it's actually paired with the band size. And that's why Rita's 34B and someone else's 38B can fit very differently. Okay, a quick self-check for you girlies. Does your band ride up your back? Do your straps keep falling? Do you have spillage from the sides? Do your cups gape? Trust me, these aren't things that you just have to live with. Most of the times, they are fit issues. A good bra should always feel supportive, not icky or chipko like your ex. So, what did we learn today? 1. Measure your underbust. 2. Measure the fullest part of your bust. 3. Use the difference to actually find the cup size. And 4. Rita is 34B. Let us all please respect her journey. So the goal isn't finding a smaller size. The goal is to find your size. See you next time, girly pops.